So, the new TS55 Plunge saw from Festool with some brilliant new features. Firstly, the right hand edge is now completely flat, and what this enables you to do is to go right up against a wall or a surface. You can get within 12mm of a wall. The other feature on this side is the clear window here, so you are now able to see where the blade is cutting. Also on this window is a little mark which tells you exactly where the end of the blade is cutting when it's at its full depth. Also, the riving knife has been redesigned. The spring-loaded design drops below the blade before the blade does, increasing safety. Obviously the riving knife stops the saw from kicking back if the wood was to pinch together. If you need splinter free on the right hand side of the cut, what you do is you just pull that clear guard out and insert the green one, which then gives you splinter free on the right hand side of the cut. It's also got the mark there, and what you would do is you place it in all the way up, place it on the surface, push it down, and then supplied with the saw is a knob which you screw in, lock down, and then you're good to go. Another feature of the saw, brilliant new innovation, very simple. It now tells you the depth of cut on the guide rail. So it gives you two indicators, one for off the guide rail, and FS represents the guide rail. This saw fits the old guide rail. The guide rail is not changing at all. So basically, if you wanted to set to say an 18mm board, you would move it down, set it to 18 on your FS mark, and then away you go. As you know, boards are now very rarely exactly the thickness that they're advertised, so what Festool has done is given you a fine adjust here, and this will allow you to dial in the exact thickness of the board. Another new invention for the tilted cuts, you unscrew two knobs front and back, same as before, tilt the saw all the way over, which gives you 45 degrees, but if you need to go a little bit more, if you pull this green knob, the saw will go 47 degrees, giving you just that little bit more for maybe for more of an undercut. And then to bring it back, you just pull it back, you can hear it click into place, and then you go all the way back down and lock at both ends. So that's the TS55, everything else is the same, blade change is the same, plunge action is the same, brilliant saw. Available now at Intelligent Workshop. Our telephone number is 0845 548 9950, or come along to the website, we've got them in stock and they're ready to ship. Thanks very much.